It's been a long, arduous process to get it to where it is. There's more new parts in this engine than an entire Toyota Corolla. But yeah, I'm happy with the outcome so far. First impressions of the body coming back to the shop, we were quite excited.
We're definitely excited when the body came back. It's
been a whole year that poor car's been at the body shop.
a lot of work was done to it.
It's straight, painted, and looks pretty sharp. As we noted before, I mean, the car had multiple accident damage, rust spots. I have a pretty critical eye along with the rest of the team. With the body, we decided to redo the factory flat black paint on the interior.
It turned out great. It looks really good.
That was Alan's artistic work. One change on the body exterior from previous is the addition of the ducktail spoiler. So that gives it a more period correct look for the mid-late 70s Paris Dakar 911 rally cars. Last time we met, we had just finished basically the long block assembly of the motor. Quite a bit's happened since then, and the engine was beaten within an inch of its life, and it really came apparent again with starting to assemble the fuel injection and the intake manifold and the air cleaner on it, that there was a lot of parts that were either missing or damaged or worn beyond repair. The engine was also missing the entire heating system. It took quite a while to piece everything together and make it fit. And 77 was kind of a weird year because it was the last year of the 2.7, and then the next year the 3-liter SC came out. The information, it was very, very vague. So there was a lot of, a little bit of trial and error and an awful lot of research to find even, say, the correct hose for the vacuum brake booster that comes off the intake manifold. For the exhaust and heat exchangers, we went with the stainless steel version of the 1974 911 heat exchangers, which add a little bit extra horsepower because they have a little bit less back pressure to them. And then we have dual inlet, dual outlet sport muffler to put on it. Yeah, we're looking forward to the next stages of this to see, have the transmission completed, mate that to the engine, and then be able to bolt engine and transmission and suspension back into it. Yeah, it'll be exciting.